Howdy folks, this is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company here in Bedford, Texas. We've got a 2011 Escapade XL trailer. And this one is posted on the website. And it kind of has a candy Durango red paint on it. I'm not real sure on what the official name of it is. We're just going to go with red. Got the chrome tires on it. It's got the cooler package. It's got the swivel hitch. You can see right here, some spots right there. There's some rock chips on it. And same thing down here. It's got a fully carpeted interior. You got the chrome spare tire in there. You can see there's some marks right there. All the lights work. Open this up. So you've got a dome light right there. You've got some storage pouches on the side. There's your spare tire. And then you also have some storage compartments on each side of the rear of the trailer. There's your other one right there. Pretty nice little motorcycle trailer if you're looking to haul something. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and give us a call. You can always click on that link below in the description. It'll take you directly to our website where you can also view the rest of our inventory. We do have a full parts and service department. We offer finance and warranty options. We accept almost anything in on trade, and we ship and sell bikes worldwide. This is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.